Cool. Okay, so one of my goals after I bought a house was to start composting. Granted, I don't know what I am doing, so that's why I wanted to make this video. I make so much waste from all of the stuff that I use in my kitchen and all of the stuff that just kind of like piles up when I'm cooking. I guess that's the same thing, but it's like I wanted to figure out how to use it, and so I'm taking all of these scraps and stuff that I have laying around, and I want to figure out if I have a viable option to compost. There's a lot of stuff I don't know, so hopefully if you're watching this, you will leave me some input and leave me some advice in the comments section below. I am open to anything and everything because I don't know what I'm doing, and so that's why I'm making this video. So I'm going to take you through what I have done so far, and then we can figure out in the future how we're going to proceed. So let me know what you think, and I'll be right back. Okay, so as of now, I have just this bucket that I have been keeping in my front patio, I guess you could call it, and it's what I usually use to keep all the leaves in that fall from the trees across the street. And it is not really full, but it actually has some weight because there's water in here. And I think what I learned from watching some videos on YouTube is that you should not let water build up in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the water out and drill holes in the bottom so that whenever it rains, if water gets in, that there's drainage. So I think that's a good place to start. I have all of this debris, and I also have a lot of food waste, which I'll show you in a second after I get this cleared out. Okay, so this is where I feel like I don't know if this is the right stuff that I should be putting in here, but I really just kept all of the scraps that I've been cutting off of like vegetables and fruits throughout the week. I also have an eggshell in here because I heard that eggshells have calcium that's good for soil and all that kind of stuff. But I also have like citrus fruits in here, and for some reason I feel like I shouldn't have put citrus in here, but that's what's in here right now. And also like this pineapple pieces. I feel like things are gonna grow off of this, so I'm just confused as to like if you're composting, how do you keep stuff from growing? Because I feel like everything in here is gonna sprout new leaves or something. I do have some soil outside that I can probably use to top all this, but I am also confused because the soil, I think, is sprouting weeds or something, or has weeds in it. So I'm like, how does that work? And then I don't have a top for this bucket. So what I think I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna use like this wood here, that this just plywood that I have left over, and I think I'm gonna use it to cover this. I don't even know if that's gonna work, but I guess this is what you're for. So if this is wrong, please tell me so I can fix it. And yeah, I'm gonna put the soil that I have in the backyard on top of this and just sit it outside and see what happens. And I'll post this video, and then if something's wrong, then I'll have to fix it. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I mean, it looks fine. I guess I should I heard something about worms. Am I supposed to put worms in here? If so, is it too late? Or else I'm gonna figure out how to put worms in here, because I mean, I guess it's done, but if this is okay, let me know. If it's not, then also let me know that as well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, I'm gonna let you know how this goes. I'm gonna find a top for this, and then that'll be it. Cool. Peace.